Have you ever found yourself in a group where everyone completely has different ideas, but somehow it just worked? That experience really brings today's topic to life how different ideas in a group can lead to better results. At first, differences might seem like a challenge, but in reality, they often lead to breakthroughs. When we all think the same, it's easy to get stuck in a bubble. We might move faster, but we miss out on the depth and richness that come from hearing other perspectives. Think about group projects in school or brainstorming sessions at work. When everyone brings in a different skill or viewpoint, whether it's creative, analytical, strategic, or emotional, you get a more well rounded result. One person might focus on efficiency, another on user experience, another on design. That blend is where innovation happens. I remember working on a team assignment where we had to design a solution to reduce food waste. At first, we were all headed in different directions. I was thinking about digital awareness campaigns. One teammate wanted to design a community fridge system, and another thought we should focus on restaurant partnerships. It felt chaotic at first, but once we actually listened to each other and combined those ideas, we ended up creating a hybrid project that touched on all three solutions. It not only made our proposal more unique, but we also learned from each other's thought processes, and we got one of the top grades in this class. Different ideas don't always mean easy conversations. They that might include disagreements, even some frustration, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Healthy disagreements encourages critical thinking, deeper listening, and mutual respect. It forces us to pause and consider alternatives we might not have thought of our own. If approached with curiosity instead of ego, these moments can be incredibly valuable. In the workplace, this becomes an even more important. Many companies intentionally build diverse teams, not just in terms of culture or background, but in hope people think. Tech companies, for example, thrive on cross functional collaboration. Developers, designers, marketers, and customer service teams all contribute to shaping a product. When you bring those minds together, each person challenges to the other to grow, and the result is almost always better than what a single department could have done alone. So, when we ask different ideas in a group can lead to better results, I think the answer is simple but powerful. It comes down to embracing contracts, being open to change, and knowing that growth doesn't happen in echo chambers. It happens when we are listening, adapting, and combining our strength. The best teams don't avoid differences, they use them. And I think that's something worth carrying into any classroom, workplace, or community we're a part of.